Meghalaya.
Usambut Menteri Rangba iba Preston Tensong badai kami ia katanat PWD Roads ilaong baka Sorkar jela kamhun satya bat karukom terekam ka National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. Ula kershan ru ia ka jingyaki ka Joint Action Committee persya ia ka NHIDCL. Ka NHIDCL kala shimti ban pintre ia ka surok na Shillong Shadauki bat kiwe-kiwe kikam. Iba Preston ilaong ba iladep ban penlong palat cespa teli ki jingya kendu bat ka ni ka company bat kim sngo ya ham bat ki rukam terekam jong ka ni ka company haba pentip ya kani unsa khot ya ka we ka jingya lang bat ka ni ka company ban khmi biang ya ki kam ki jam bat hadien kani ulaong ba ukershan bat ka senjuk ki rangba snong bat ki we ki seng ki ba persha ya ka jing suki ka jing pentrekam ya ka ni ka surok.
Less than 100 times with NHCL. Even me, from the government side, we are not happy with the way the functioning of the NHCL. Again, I will call a review meeting, and I'm so happy with this. The Senjuk Yerambashnong, along with the NGOs and all, they came up and showed the protest. I think this is good. Even me, I support that because I've seen these people. Their style of functioning is totally different, and I've seen that even recently in Assam, a lot of complaint came in from the public, the way the style of functioning of NHCL is done.